Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into the details. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS features the B550 chipset and an AM4 socket, making it compatible with AMD's Ryzen 5000 series processors. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX utilizes the newer B650 chipset and AM5 socket, supporting the latest generation of AMD processors. This difference in chipsets signifies a leap in technology and performance capabilities for the GIGABYTE board. When it comes to memory support, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS supports DDR4 RAM, which is widely available and cost-effective. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX supports the newer DDR5 RAM, offering higher speeds and improved performance for gaming and multitasking. This can be a crucial factor for users looking to future-proof their builds. Networking capabilities also differ significantly between the two motherboards. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers a standard 1 gigabit LAN connection, while the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX provides a 2.5 GBE LAN connection along with Wi-Fi 6E support. This means faster and more reliable internet connectivity for gamers and content creators who require high-speed connections. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX have their unique strengths. The ASUS board is a great budget-friendly option, while the GIGABYTE board offers cutting-edge features for those willing to invest more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.